Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a new heavyweight champion of the iPhone 14 case. It's the new aluminum border case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me stop messing with you guys. We have a new banger, I think, what is going to be the heavyweight champion of iPhone 14 Pro Max slim cases. I won't say all cases because we have a wide range, but slim cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We have the Kaitesi aluminum alloy border case for the phone. Okay, there's a lot of things I like about this case, but we're gonna get into all of those. We have Dwight in the building because Spidey's taking a paid day off, so we have Dwight to step in with his beat from Dwight or the Shrews Beat Farm. So we're going to do a review of this case, a little walk around, so on and so forth. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, what I ask is that you guys hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this content, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button on your way in. It definitely helps out the videos and helps me push out more videos to you guys. But this one right here, I am giving this the title of the heavyweight champ of the iPhone 14 Pro Max cases. I think this is the best all-around case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max for a lot of reasons. So first thing we're going to get into is the price for this. The price for this is a flat $23 on Amazon.com. The link will be in the description below. I think that is a very fair price for the look of the case, the protection of the case, and everything that it offers, because it also has MagSafe and wireless charging capability, because you can still get to that MagSafe ring. So 23 bucks, I think that is a fair price for this case. This is a two-part case. There are two pieces. You have this one and that one. So this is the border itself. So first thing we're going to touch on is the buttons and cutouts. So if we look around this case, you see there is a little cutout right here. There are button cutouts for the volume up and down rocker, and then you have that pretty prominent cutout for the volume on and off switch. This right here, this cutout, serves no purpose. Now I think maybe the purpose for these cutouts could be that they're trying to keep the avenues or keep the case open enough for the antenna signals or for the antenna bands to get signal to the phone, because maybe with the aluminum case it might block that signal. So maybe that's what these cutouts are for, because they're all around this border. But I could be wrong, but that's what I think it's for. Now if you go to the top of the case, you have another cutout for what I'm assuming to help with the signal, another cutout to the right of the case, and then another cutout slash button for the power slash Siri button. And then at the bottom you have another cutout for, again, I think the signal strength. And at the bottom you have the cutouts for the speaker grills and the charging port, and then another cutout right here for what I'm assuming is the antenna. So as you can see, this case is not broken. It's supposed to do this. It actually connects at this point right here. That's what this little latch is for. It hooks on like so. So you hook it on here, and then you have a connection right there. So that hook is for this thing right here to be able to snap on in place, because this obviously is not attached to this. So if we look at this, you have a cutout for a lanyard if you decide to put like a little lanyard loop through here. You have the MagSafe ring that, like I said, it's also good for wireless charging because you have that connection there with the magnet in here and the magnet in there. And then you have the full cutout butt coverage of the camera modules and the flashes on the actual phone itself. So simple installation, it's not tough. So I'm going to install this really quick, because then we're going to talk about the feel and the grip of it, but we can't really talk about that unless it's on the phone. So simple installation, you sit this on here, and as you see, it snaps right into place because the magnets pretty much connect. And then you have to make sure you're aligning this up perfect. So obviously this is the bottom, so this needs to be this way. And then the main thing is you're trying to figure out, what does it go this way or does it go that way? So there's difference of a lip on each side. I don't know if you can see it, but this part of the case protrudes a little bit more than this part, and it's like that way on both sides. So to make it simple, the part with the bigger border lip trim goes towards the back of the phone, and you can also just line it up with the buttons and cutouts, but that is the main part that keeps this in place. So we're gonna line this up accordingly. So let me unlatch this hook really quick. All right, so you're gonna need this open, and then you basically just, let me grab the phone. You basically just fit this around the edges. So it's better to start where the case actually opens up, and then you just line everything up and pop it into place. So once you do that, the case is on there. So now all you do is pinch the edges right here and then tighten this clasp on here, and you should feel it close in. And that is how you install this case. So it's pretty sturdy on there. It's not much wiggle room, if any, on here. So that's how you know it's on. There's no like pulling it apart or, you know, breaking off. It only detaches from this latch right here. So you won't have any issues with this coming off. So the feel of this thing, the main reason I got this case is because I wanted a case that made me basically feel like I'm still holding my phone naked, raw, nothing. Ain't that right, Dwight? I know that's right. I wanted this thing to feel like I'm holding this without a case. There are a lot of thinner cases than this. This is pretty thin, but there are a lot of thinner cases than this. But this basically gives you the aesthetic of your phone without a case. It's, you know, pretty much simulating the same kind of shiny borders from the actual phone itself. So if you look all around, you will see it pretty much looks like the borders of the phone without the case. It offers full protection for your cameras, and it doesn't protrude over too much on the main display. So the feel of it, it feels like the actual phone itself. There's a slight bit of weight difference that you will notice, but again, it's very slight. So as far as grip, it's aluminum. It's not like rigid edges, so it's not the best gripping kind of case, but with the aluminum and seeing how it's not like slippery, like it holds on. I don't know the best way to put it, but it holds on. It feels more secure than having your phone without the case. So I know, like I said, the main reason I got it is because it basically resembles having this phone without a case. But when you put this on, yeah, it looks like it doesn't have a case, even though it does. But as far as the grip, it feels like there's some kind of tension between your actual fingers and the case because of that aluminum. So it kind of makes like a non-slip kind of feel when you're holding on to it. So next thing, the fit and protection. This fits very well on here. So you won't have any excess or tightness when it comes to putting this on here. It fits on here like it's supposed to be on your phone. You don't have any extra like it could peel off or like it coming off too easy. It fits very snug, like they've cut this out specifically for this phone. Now, protection. As you can see to the side, you have very minimal, if any, raised edges over the side of the phone. So in the off chance that you drop your phone right like this on the ground or wherever you may drop it, and there's something down there besides a flat surface, yeah, you can risk damaging the sides of your phone and definitely obviously the main display. But it's kind of give a little, get a little. There's no damage. Don't pay this no mind. This is a tempered screen protector, so that's just from heat or moisture. That's not actually like damage. So I've dropped this a couple times with this case on here and it's landed this way, no issues. So fit and protection works out well. And as you can see, the MagSafe ring lines up perfectly with the MagSafe magnetic ring inside of the phone, and also the camera cutouts. They line up perfectly with the cutouts of the case and the phone. Now, is this thing drop resistant? I would say no, it's not drop resistant as far as the outside of the case. So if I don't know if you can see, if you look closer, you might can't tell from the camera, but I do have some kind of, you know, superficial scratches on here. So you can see it's like slightly, you know, super small right here, but there's some
not dents, but there are little scratches right here from me dropping it. There's some scratches on the side, barely. You can barely see them. And then as we go around, it's very minimal, very minimal scratches that I've sustained so far. And then if you look at the camera module right here, I've had some scratches there from just me dropping it, but the case is doing what it's supposed to do. It's holding up tightly, very well. And as you can see on the back, we have that frosted back. You can get this case in multiple colors. So if you got a different color besides the deep purple, if you got black, gold, and I think there's some other colors there that you can choose from, you will be able to find a case for you. But this is by far my favorite case for this phone. It makes it look like I'm holding the phone without a case. This is the closest I can get to having a case that doesn't look like a case, if that makes any sense. So, you know, when you throw this, drop this, sit this down somewhere, I have yet to have any issues with this latch popping off. This latch only comes off if I pull it off. And you know, you have a small nail, you just peel it like this and will pop right off. But other than that, once you snap this on here, I have yet to have this latch come off. I've had this on my phone for about 2 weeks now, or maybe a week and a half. I really love this case. It's my favorite one. I think it's Dwight's favorite one too. You know, he doesn't tell me sometimes, but I think he's really feeling this one. His whole thing is he likes phones without cases, but Dwight also lives back in the dinosaur era, and he has that big ass cell phone brick that sits, you know, like the old school military ones with a long ass antenna. That's the ones Dwight likes. He doesn't really care about the new age stuff too much, but I do. But I think he low-key likes this one. But you know, that's a conversation for another day. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Again, the link for this will be in the description below if you want this case. I highly recommend. The company didn't send this to me. This was all me. Again, this is the Kaitesi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Kaitesi. Oh no, I can't speak. Kaitesi aluminum alloy bumper case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys say. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.